Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and it's around 10 a.m. right now. I think I woke up like around at 8:30 a.m. and it's now 10 a.m. so I'm gonna be working out right now. I just took my pre-workout and I do feel okay. I do feel a little tired because I trained for 2 days consecutively on Friday and Saturday, so right now I'm a little fatigued, a little tired. Maybe a little bit of soreness on my shoulders, my pecs, and my lats. But I don't think that's too serious, too severe. So yeah, I think today's workout is gonna be at least decent in my opinion. At least it's not gonna be bad because I got good sleep and I'm back on my track with my diet as well. And I'm now at like 66.7 kilograms. So I am below 67 kilograms, so that's a good sign, that's good progress. Anyways, without any further ado, let's get right into the training. So I'll see you guys in the training.
just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control. Darkness take control.
Okay guys, so that was my training for today, and I'll dive right into the training reflection. Today's workout was actually very decent. I got tired almost at the end of my bodyweight training session, so that's actually quite normal because I'm focusing on volume and time under tension, as well as the intensity as well. So it's very fatiguing, very difficult for me to train like this, but I'm just gonna keep going. And for my planche and front lever today, my planche was actually very good. I was able to maintain decent form, and for the push-ups to hold, I was still not able to hold it, but I know that I'm so close to getting the push-up to hold. I just need the correct technique, because when I go down like this, and I should really just try to push, not like this as if I'm gonna do push-ups, but like as I'm driving it down to my hips and then also pushing it back the way I came, the way I did the negative part. So I go down like this, I drive right into my elbows and I push. So that's what I am focusing on, and that will actually get me to the planche push-up to hold. But I'm just still not there yet. So that's why today I did like full planche hold to like, I don't know, like 1-2 seconds to straddle and push up to hold to press, something like that, to get the time under tension. So I'm very satisfied with my planche today. Front lever is not going well. I think my touch, I don't know, like I'm not really satisfied with my touch, maybe because I'm a little too heavy right now, but I'm still getting there. So I think after some time, after some weeks, I'll be able to do some front lever touch decently, as along with the front lever pull-ups as well. I'm currently having a hard time in front lever because I feel heavy, and yeah, so I don't know, like I can't get the technique right and time under tension right. So I'm gonna have to focus more on front lever as well. And one thing I noticed is that the intention to train is very important, because if you have all your plans, like the routines, schedules, everything sorted out, but if you dive into the training session and just do the sets that you wrote without like
having the intention to do it correctly with good form and activation. If you're just trying to like go through the sets without like having the intention to do like pointing out your feet, the protraction, like whatever, the engagement. If you don't have those intentions when you're doing the set, it's gonna be very sloppy, and you're not gonna end up with good form, good activation. So yeah, so that is why I think the intention to do the set and like visualizing before like diving into the set is very important, because you will have the visualization of doing the set you want to perform. So I think that's very important to actually do the set. So that's my training reflection for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next training session. So I'll see you guys then.